the number of people that we see on YouTube, we see in the forums, emails we get, who have done a stage one upgrade to their bike and are saying that they have noticed little to no improvement in performance is incredible. I mean, it's just mind-boggling that these people have spent this money on an air cleaner, exhaust, and a tuner, and they're not experiencing any perceptible to them increase in power, or very little increase in power. And it's almost become a myth. It's almost become so commonplace that most people will say stage ones don't deliver that much increase in power. When you can look at all these charts here showing how much of an increase when you do a DK stage one, we're talking 10, 12, up 17% increase in torque and horsepower by doing a DK stage one. And a big part of that is the air cleaner. In fact, we have a lot of charts. You can put some up here, Dwayne, where it shows 10 and 12% increase in torque and horsepower just from an air cleaner. Just from an air cleaner.
That's right.
Where people are doing whole stage ones and aren't getting that much of an increase. The difference is that they think they're putting a performance air cleaner on, when in fact they are not.